Welcome to the Weekly Spanish Review. This is for Mr. Jones's class, Spanish 1 from February 1st to February 5th. This week, we got started on Unit 4, which is food. Some of the goals for this unit is to be able to have a conversation in a restaurant, to identify different foods in Latin America, and to talk about our favorite foods and our dislikes, maybe what we don't like in food. So first, we started this week by identifying some of the foods in the 21 Spanish-speaking countries. Remember I told you there's a lot of variety from Central America to South America to the Caribbean islands, Spain, a lot of different foods. And then take a look at your notes too to see kind of what we reviewed. We talked about ceviche in Peru, some of the asados in Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay, and then some of the other popular foods as well. Alright, so getting into some of these new vocabulary words, we'll start by kind of breaking things up between desayuno, which you know now as breakfast, almuerzo for lunch, and then some of the things here you can see cena for dinner. Alright, we've learned words like huevo, cereal, tocino, pan tostado con mantequilla. Some of these different foods for lunch. En almuerzo, un sándwich de jamón y queso, arroz, frijoles, vegetales, papas y papas fritas. And then for la cena, el pescado, pollo, pizza, hamburguesa. Some of the key verbs for this unit: comer, to eat, and beber, to drink. Remember last unit when we studied the classroom and things that we did after school, those activities? We looked at verbs for the first time. Those verbs ended in AR. Now in this unit, we're going to see ER and IR verbs. Now those conjugations or those endings are going to be different. So for ER, these are how they end. For yo, it ends in an O. To, ES. The ending for él, ella, and usted is y. Nosotros, hemos. And then ustedes and ellos ends in en. So what does that mean? Well, we take off the ER on the end of this verb and we substitute it with these. So for example, comer, I want to say I eat. So yo, we take off this ER, we add an O. Yo como. Alright, our ending for to is ES. So again, we take off this ER right here and we add the ES. Tú comes, you eat. Él, ella, usted come. Nosotros comemos. And then ellos, ustedes comen. So we made sentences. Yo como huevos. Tú comes un sándwich de queso. Él come pescado. Good job this week learning the new vocabulary. Remember to take 5 minutes every night to look at the new vocab, look at the new words, study the conjugations on the back of your list.